The pace of technological change is only getting faster, and it's becoming more difficult to keep up with all the latest developments. But don't worry, we've got you covered. From artificial intelligence to biotechnology, we are taking a look at some of the most exciting and potentially life-changing technologies that are emerging right now, and what you can expect from them in the next 10 years. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has already made significant strides in recent years with applications such as self-driving cars, virtual assistants, and facial recognition becoming commonplace. But what can we expect from AI in the next 10 years? According to experts, AI will become even more sophisticated with machines capable of understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions based on complex datasets. This will lead to advancements in fields such as healthcare, finance, and manufacturing with AI-powered systems capable of diagnosing diseases, detecting fraud, and optimizing production processes. Additionally, AI will play a bigger role in our daily lives with smart homes and cities becoming more personalized and efficient. However, there are also concerns about the potential negative impacts of AI, such as job displacement and the need for regulation to ensure responsible use. Biotechnology. Biotechnology is another field that is rapidly advancing with innovations such as gene editing, personalized medicine, and synthetic biology transforming the way we approach healthcare and agriculture. In the next 10 years, we can expect to see even more breakthroughs in this field. Gene therapy will become more effective and accessible, allowing us to treat genetic disorders with greater precision. Personalized medicine will also become more common with treatments tailored to an individual's genetic makeup and lifestyle. Synthetic biology will enable us to create new organisms and biological systems that can be used to produce biofuels, pharmaceuticals, and other products. Additionally, biotechnology will play a key role in addressing global challenges, such as food security and climate change, with scientists developing new crops that are resistant to pests and require less water. However, there are also ethical considerations that need to be addressed in biotechnology, such as the potential for genetic discrimination and the safety of genetically modified organisms. Nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is the manipulation of matter at the atomic and molecular level, and has the potential to revolutionize many industries. From medicine to electronics, the next 10 years will likely see significant advancements in nanotechnology with applications such as targeted drug delivery, improved solar cells, and stronger materials. Nanobots will be developed to deliver drugs directly to cancer cells, reducing side effects and increasing treatment efficacy. Solar cells will become more efficient, leading to cheaper and more sustainable energy production. Materials will become stronger and lighter, improving the performance of products such as aircraft and sporting goods. Additionally, nanotechnology will enable advancements in fields such as energy storage and environmental remediation with the development of new materials that can store large amounts of energy or remove pollutants from the air and water. However, there are also concerns about the potential risks of nanotechnology, such as the toxicity of nanoparticles and the impact on human health and the environment. 3D printing. 3D printing has already disrupted several industries such as manufacturing and healthcare with its ability to create three-dimensional objects from digital designs. In the next 10 years, we can expect to see even more innovations in this field with applications such as personalized prosthetics, on-demand manufacturing, and even 3D printed organs. Prosthetics will become more customized and functional with 3D printing, allowing for the creation of limbs that are better suited to the needs of the individual. On-demand manufacturing will become more prevalent with businesses using 3D printers to produce goods on a small scale, quickly and cheaply. And in the longer term, 3D printed organs could become a reality, addressing the shortage of organ donors and providing new treatment options for patients. Additionally, 3D printing will enable advancements in fields such as aerospace and automotive, with the development of new lightweight and high-strength materials. However, there are also challenges associated with 3D printing, such as the need for skilled operators and the potential for job displacement. Extended reality. Extended reality, or XR, encompasses virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality. XR has already found applications in fields such as gaming and entertainment, but its potential extends far beyond that. In the next 10 years, we can expect to see XR integrated into various industries such as healthcare, education, and manufacturing. For example, surgeons will be able to use VR to practice complex operations in a safe and realistic environment. Students will be able to experience immersive virtual field trips to places around the world. And factory workers will be able to use AR to overlay digital information onto real-world objects, improving efficiency and accuracy. Additionally, XR will continue to evolve with new devices and technologies that offer more immersive and realistic experiences, blurring the line between the physical and digital worlds. However, there are also challenges associated with XR, such as the cost of equipment and the potential for addiction and social isolation. Blockchain technology has emerged as a secure and transparent way to record and manage data. While it is still early in its development, blockchain has the potential to revolutionize many industries. In the next 10 years, we can expect to see wider adoption of blockchain with applications in fields such as supply chain management, voting, and digital identity. For example, blockchain will enable greater transparency and accountability in supply chains, making it easier to track the origin and movement of goods. It will also provide a secure and tamper-proof way to conduct elections, reducing the risk of fraud and increasing voter confidence. Additionally, blockchain will enable the creation of decentralized applications or dApps that can provide a more secure and user-friendly experience. However, there are also challenges associated with blockchain such as scalability and regulatory uncertainty. Robotics is another field that is rapidly advancing with innovations such as industrial robots, autonomous vehicles, and humanoids transforming the way we work and interact with machines. In the next 10 years, we can expect to see even more breakthroughs in robotics, with applications such as collaborative robots, drones, and exoskeletons. Collaborative robots will work alongside humans in factories and warehouses, performing tasks that are dangerous or repetitive. Drones will be used for a variety of purposes, including package delivery, surveillance, and agriculture. And exoskeletons will assist workers in performing physically demanding tasks. Additionally, robotics will play a key role in addressing global challenges, such as natural disasters and healthcare, with robots that can provide assistance in remote or hazardous environments. However, there are also ethical considerations that need to be addressed in robotics, such as the potential for job displacement and the need for regulation to ensure safety. Energy storage is critical for enabling the transition to renewable energy sources and reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. In the next 10 years, we can expect to see major advancements in energy storage with innovations such as lithium-ion batteries, flow batteries, and hydrogen fuel cells. Lithium-ion batteries will become more efficient and cost-effective, making them ideal for use in electric vehicles and portable electronic devices. Flow batteries will be used to store large amounts of energy for grid-scale applications. Hydrogen fuel cells will provide a clean and efficient way to generate electricity from hydrogen. Additionally, energy storage will enable advancements in other areas such as smart grids and microgrids, which can improve the reliability and efficiency of power distribution. However, there are also challenges associated with energy storage, such as the need for materials and the disposal of used batteries. Space exploration has always been a human endeavor, with missions to the moon and beyond, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. In the next 10 years, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in this field with missions to Mars and beyond. Private companies such as SpaceX and Blue Origin will continue to develop reusable launch systems, making space travel more affordable and accessible. Space tourism will become more common, with wealthy individuals and even celebrities taking trips to the International Space Station or beyond. And scientific discoveries will continue to expand our understanding of the universe, with missions such as the James Webb Space Telescope providing new insights into the origins and evolution of the cosmos. However, there are also challenges associated with space exploration, such as the cost of missions and the potential for environmental damage. While these are just a few of the many exciting technologies that are emerging right now, it's clear that the pace of change is only getting faster. It's important to stay informed and adapt to the changing world in order to thrive in the years to come. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all the latest developments in the world of technology and beyond. With the rapid pace of technological change, it can be difficult to know where to start when it comes to staying informed. That's why we created a free newsletter that gives you the latest updates on the most important tech trends. You'll also gain access to exclusive content and resources that will help you better understand the rapidly changing world of technology. So don't wait. Subscribe today and join the thousands of people who are already benefiting from our channel.